Now clap your hands and stamp your feet. This sounds big, a trick wild.
Yeah, man. Lord, forgive them, you know. They know not what they have done, you know. Killing the promising daughters and sons, you know. Yeah, man, Jamaica. Too much shame in your game, you know. Yeah, man. Don't get some things, everything good, or not someone thinks that them, you them must save. Killers too brave to kill and prove them a walk all in a cave. Yeah, I want gunshot out on the God can save. Jamaica, your turn. Jamaica, come tell us what's going down. Why are your good people always getting gunned down? Jamaica, are you self-destruct going down? Why kill Father Paul and Chris Brown? He without sin, brethren, let him cast the first stone. Returning residents of Jamaica, we're really afraid to go home. Bad mind is active, not already ain't going around. Wicked heart and bloodthirsty people prowling the town. Jealousy and envy, dirty heart tearing Jamaica down. No morals, no principle, respect and appreciation down. Sometimes can't even trust the police when things going down. Friends and from family, can't be letting my guard down. Overseas working hard for my money, stressed out and fly down. Need a dream out, a vacation or 12 poor people. Still you just gun us down. Jamaica, tell us what's going down. Jamaica, what's really going down? Hey, Jamaica, how you so bold and cold? Why take orders to kill people like rifle? Him have story and history of drugs and money. That story old. Best friend, never heard. Oh God, the story that's old. Him never hurt a man or make a man catch a cold. Maximum respect he gave, you been told. Mix up and confusion. Too much talking is what we found. Two busy killers on a bike, in car or on foot going around. Police are also assassins, look what's going down. Manipulation, lies, false investigation. How does this sound? Why jealousy and bad mind plot together to even kill Chris Brown? Killing overseas millionaires and calling them a hitman. Not so smart, using news, lies and rumors, but you can't fool everyone. Look, them go kill the Dan. Look, the Dan head bust out. Kill the Dan to rise for them Dan. Tell me what them a chat about. Before lunchtime, you have me word, people are dead, war broke out. Hey, that boss man are dead all about east, west, north and south. Does oversee luxurious lifestyle, get bad mind active, violent while. Why can't we wear designer clothes and live like rock star? Why can't we spend our money and drive fancy car? Why can't we build and buy big house, living like star? Look how the wicked them kill Chris Brown and dirty heart murder rifle in front in car. Jamaica, what's going down? Jamaica, what's going down? Jamaica, tell me what's really going down. Jamaica, many no want to see you. Many small islands, but nobody no want to be you. No matter how you help Jamaica, them want to kill you. Want to take away your for you and still want to be you. Lucky place, Jamaica change. Can't be true. Jamaica, you're killing the residents. Could this be true? Trust you for build a dream home and a nightmare will come true. Trust the country to help poor people and in your blood them drench you. Oh, what evil them a think up and link up and drink up, yeah. Kill off rifle from British link up and Chris from Canada. Jamaica, where you are come to? Jamaica, where you are do? Jamaica, Jamaica, where you are come to?
Almost there. Almost there. Come on, get that line up.
This war now stop.
All the things set. Chris, kick it and make it roll like a ball. Alright, you know we have talked today with them in the car. See them a promote on it down live. And we wonder why though. How come